Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to round corners in Bambu Studio. We will use this more easiest way. So if you are building a simple base box or plug from scratching inside the software, do not use the standard cube primitive. Um, Bambu Studio has a shape that already has rounded corners built in. So what we need to do is click an empty space on your build plate. Then hover over to Add Primitive and select Rounded Rectangle. A panel will pop up allowing you to change its dimension and adjust the exact corner radius to make the corner more or less rounded. Now, if you already have a model with a sharp 90-degree corner and you want to slice a rounded edge into it, you can use a hidden cutting shape. So this method is more for existing models. So right click on your model on your build plate and hover over to add negative part. So we need to find add negative part and select cylinder or shape sphere if you want a ball shaped corner. So let's go with cylinder like that and click on the scale tool. So just a moment, or press S on your keyboard. Now it will pop up this window right here. Move the cylinder to so intersects perfectly with the sharp corner of your box. So move like right here, for example, like that. So now what we are going to do is also stretch this cylinder that is also bigger than our model. So a little bit more. Where it is now? Okay. Let me move it. All right, like so. Now what we are going to do next is right-click the cylinder in your left-hand object list and change its property. So right-click on it and we will change property as a cut or negative volume. So change, and we have here negative part.